Today we're working on the pantry and restocking some of our essentials, and I thought I'd share these items with y'all that might help you keep your pantry stocked.
Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I've been thinking about items to keep in our pantry to keep it stocked up, and I thought I'd share these 10 items with y'all that I think are good things to keep in your pantry. Travis has always tried to keep a lot of stuff on hand and ready for me anytime I need it and keep it stocked up. And these are the 10 things that we like to keep in our pantry. The number one item is flour. You can do a lot of things when you've got flour. So you can even use all-purpose flour to make bread flour, cake flour, and even self-rising flour, all with all-purpose flour. And I've got a video I'll link down below on how to do that. The next item is sugar. When you got sugar, you can make any kind of little dessert. You can use sugar to make your sweet tea, lemonade, or any kind of drink you want also. As long as you've got a little white sugar, you can have something sweet on hand. The next item is canned fruit. I like to keep canned fruit in my pantry. And we've got a video where we canned apples a couple years ago. I'll share that one down below. But canned fruit is also a good thing to keep. That way if you decide you want a cobbler or something like that, or even just some fried pies, keeping some fruit on hand, you can do something like that with your flour. The next item that we like to keep in our pantry is canned meat. And we've got a video on how we done our canned ground beef. And you can also just buy your canned meat at the store. You can get the canned chicken, canned pork, canned salmon, tuna, any roast beef, any kind of canned meat right now is a good thing to keep in case we was to give out of power. You could always have the canned meat to use if you had to. The next one is rice. I think rice is a good item to keep in your pantry because you can do rice with soup, rice and gravy. You can put rice in casseroles. So that is a good item to keep also. The next one we think that's a good item to keep is pasta. Any kind of pasta, spaghetti noodles, elbow noodles, lasagna noodles, any kind of pasta is a good item to keep, and it's a good thing to have to bulk up a meal. You can make casseroles and just add you some pasta to those also. The next thing is dried milk. I like to keep dried milk in my pantry because using that, you could do any kind of you could mix it up and make your bread. You could mix it up and make milk just to drink. So I think having some dry milk on hand in your pantry is a good item to stock up on. The next thing is seasoning. If you've got a good amount of seasonings like chicken bouillon, beef bouillon, salt, pepper, garlic powder, garlic salt, onion powder, paprika, if you can stock up on different kinds of seasonings, you can usually make pretty much anything taste better. Like green beans and peas and even canned corn that don't have that much of a taste to it. You can add you a little bit of those different seasonings to it and make those green beans taste pretty darn good. So any kind of seasonings will help you in your pantry. The next thing that I like to keep is condiments like Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, hot sauce. Any kind of items like that to keep in your pantry is a good idea because you can make different recipes with different sauces. The next item is dried beans or canned beans. Dried beans are a lot cheaper than buying them in a can, but if you want to buy them in a can, they're still good. Any kind of beans is a good thing to have because they do offer some protein. And they are great for just a side to go with another kind of protein like chicken or pork chops or whatever. But having dried beans is a good item to have in your pantry also. The next thing I think is a good item to keep is peanut butter. You can do different desserts with peanut butter. You can just eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or you could just have some peanut butter for a little extra protein. My son Alan, he loves peanut butter. He'll just eat it by the spoonfuls. But anyway, peanut butter is another good thing to keep in your pantry. Okay, y'all, that's our 10 items to stock up our pantry with. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give us the thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.